Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can fix compare at price not showing on your Shopify store. This is how compare at price shows on Shopify. So if that is not showing on your end, then we will see how to fix that in this video. So there are basically two things that you need to fix to solve this issue. So first of all, you will have to go to your Shopify dashboard, and here you will have to go to settings. And here under settings you will have to go to markets, and here go to preferences, and here you will see this thing compare at price hiding. So make sure that this is unchecked so that the compare at price will not hide and it will start showing. And now you can close this and go back to your store, and now you can refresh it. So if that solves your issue, then that's it for you. But if it does not solve your issue, then you will have to follow this second step as well. So just go to your dashboard, and here go to the products, and here you will have to go to the product on which you want to show the compare at price. So just copy your product title, and now go to the products again, click on search, and here paste the title and open the product. And here when you will scroll down, here you can see that you don't see the compare at price thing. So just open it and click on the variation, and here you can see compare at price now. So here you can enter the price to which you want to compare and make sure it is larger than the original price. Now go back, click on refresh, and here you can see now it is showing. So we can add the compare at price similarly in all of our products. So that's it for the video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any other topic idea or have any suggestion. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.